This is ADO's brand new bike called the D30. It's a city e-bike. It not only has a seamless, awesome design, no, it is also fully CE certified. There will be a few links in the description that will take you right to the current sales. And now, as always, let's take a comprehensive look. Got the new ADO Drip, their brand new and amazing looking city e-bike called the D30, so let's check it out. So this is the box, it's the D30 by ADO, of course, and it's a city bike, a city e-bike. What stands out immediately is this streamlined design. There is no battery block on it. It's looking very elegant, and what I also like is this cable management, symmetrical cable management. It's looking really nice. On the side of the box is more info. The net weight is 22 kilograms, gross weight 30 kilograms, crazy range. It's limited to 25 kilometers per hour, of course, and the battery voltage is 36 volts. So let's open it up. The packaging by ADO is always on point. As you can see, they protect vital spots with little pieces of acrylic. But now check this out, I've never seen this. This seems to be next level protection right here. Some sort of a foam. The protection is definitely next level. Okay, let me try this. Well, that's new. Goodbye to shipping damage, transport problems, for sure. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's a solid piece of foam. Wow. This is one of these foam pieces, by the way. Okay, let's get right to it. So, okay, let's keep going. Let's unwrap it. It's quite the project. For assembling this bike, I will need the accessories. I will need the tools, so let's open up this box. You will get a phone mount. Really cool looking pedals. The charging brick with the cable, of course. The tools that I will need, and also this quick release, and also the manual, and this installation manual. Check it out. And this. Okay. Let's get to work. So as you can see, for the transport you will get a rather thick bar in here. Now let's replace it with this one. So as you can see, there are 4 screws and there is this neat alignment tool. That's a genius idea. Okay, I actually also need to insert the saddle. That's the thing, by the way, looking pretty nice. Look at that. This is what it looks like. So on each side is this spring, and then on this other side is this quick release. Let's insert it. It fits perfectly. So that's no issue. Screw it in place with this quick release on the other side. Tighten it. That's that. And honestly, for the size, it's not even that heavy. So let's get rid of the last wrappings and then also screw in the pedals, and this is what they look like. They look pretty spacey, they look pretty cool. Yeah, this is metal all the way. Now all that's left is cleaning up this mess. There we go, there it is, and it is looking great. Well worth the effort. Now let's check it out in detail. Let's start here. Branding, as you can see, pretty decent disc brake by Camros. Look at these details, like this copper look, looking amazing. Also, this is a proper disc. I mean, look at that, perfect. Then on the other side, a lot of gears. This is looking like really high quality by Shimano. Yeah, and then of course we have the power cable for the motor, which is right here. Also on this side we have the branding and the pedal base. And here we have one pedal, this nice looking cover right here. From the other side, now listen to this. That's sounding so good. Down here we have this adjustable kickstand. Perfect. And there's the front wheel right here. As you can see, also a proper disc right here. Also this amazing brake right here. And this is a tire profile right here. So this is an all-terrain wheel. Moving up to the saddle. This is a really soft and nice feeling saddle. Check it out. It's not one of these hard ones, it's almost like one of these gel ones. Definitely comfy. Also back here we have this light. We actually need to remove this light with reflector on and off. The saddle is of course height adjustable with this quick release. Next up we have the battery, which is integrated in here of course. Oh, nice. And that's the thing right here. Very cool, with an indicator right here. I actually just wanted to turn it on. You just need the key to remove the battery. Nice concept, no ugly bulk. So that's the bike, well, the steering bar from the front. Also there is a little front light down here. I like this symmetrical cable management. Also branding right here. It's looking pretty cool actually. And lastly, the steering bar, which is looking really high end as well. Nice rubber pads, the brakes are feeling phenomenal. You can also lock the front shock absorption. Just like that. By the way, brakes. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, we also have this bell. And then of course the gear shifter. From the front, looking pretty good. Refined, high end, I like it. Okay, and lastly, let's turn it on. Press and hold, yes. Oh, let's go. So here we have the pedal assist. Okay, so we also have the odometer, trip, voltage, nice, and the time. All right, love it. This is the S8130 by the way. So there we have it, done with the unboxing and with the setup. I really like this design. It's just looking good. All right, and also there is this, check it out. This is a partnership between ADO and Insta360. This is the Insta Go 2 package, D30 set, which also includes, well, a case and also a smart air pump. So details on the box. On the side, as you can see, the branding. This is the classic Insta360 gallery and this side right here. And then this is a specs overview right here. Let's open it up. There we go, look at that. That's the air pump. Oh boy, it's in there. All right, air pump accessories. This is probably the bag for the air pump. And in here we have all the paperwork. Box is now empty. There we go. Quite a lot to unwrap. So on one side we have the air pump, on the other side the Go 2. We have the Go 2 standalone use right here. How to charge it and all of that good stuff. And then there's also this. This is such a cool idea. That's this necklace right here, this magnet pendant. Now check this out. This is freaking genius. You can use it like that. And then there is a thicker quick start guide as well. We have the stickers, this quick start guide, warranty of course, stuff like that. And this is the manual for the portable smart tire inflator. So multi-language of course. Nice. So for charging the camera we have this USB-C cable of course. For mounting it we have this clamp right here for mounting it to the bike. That's the thing right here in the charge case. Looking so nice. When you unfold it, this is what it will look like, and it's in there. Held with a magnet. That's the Go 2. This is so nice. I love it. This is so small. And now check this out. That is so cool. Okay, so you also get this. And also this clip-on. Genius. Check out this warning right here. Yeah, and for charging, just put it back in here. That is amazing. And for the bike pump, these are the adapters. Then there is also a flexible hose and the pump itself with the ADO branding and the specs. Looking and feeling really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, that low-key scared me. Right on. Future is now. That is definitely an amazing package right there. Good stuff, and now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. As you can see, there are two available colors. Then here we have the main parameters, a general and a vehicle performance. The color names would be gray and silver, by the way. What stands out is of course the transmission system with 11 gears, also of course the hydraulic disc brakes and a wire controlled shock absorber in the front. Then we have, well, the head of the bicycle, the steering bar, the front wheel and the rear wheel. The tire valves are regular car valves. Then here are the specs for the mainframe and for the light. So it's mostly made out of aluminum alloy. That's why it's so light. Moving on to the electronics, battery, charger and motor. Battery is 36 volts and 10.4 amp hours, and it's of course a CE version with 250 watts of rated motor power and 42 newton meters of torque. And for the system control, as I said, they're using the S830 bicycle computer basically, and it is indeed very clear under sunshine. And lastly, the main selling points. So first of all, of course, 11 gears, awesome transmission system. We have hydraulic disc brakes. We have the ADO G drive, also the front shock absorption, which is lockable. And lastly, the smart bicycle computer. Not bad, right? And now let's finally test it. So the first thing that I did was I took the pump, dialed in a proper setting and filled up the tires. I only went for 2.5 bar. These are actually rated for way higher pressures, but I usually only go for 2.5. It was fine, but you can go higher. And the pump is amazing. It's super convenient. You just dial it in, screw it on, start it, and it will automatically stop when it reaches the dialed in pressure. Love the thing. Then I took it outside, turned it on, and I went for pedal assist 3 right off the bat because I'm lazy. It kicks in very nicely and the ride feeling is awesome, stable. I went for hands-off riding immediately basically. Yeah, it's that stable, but let's just see for yourself. I went a few rounds around this beautiful lake and it was a beautiful day. I got very lucky. It wasn't warm, but the sun was definitely super bright today. And I haven't ridden a bicycle in a long time, especially not a full-sized one. And when I was younger, like a few years ago, I used to do wheelies all the time. One of my passions. And I was like, hey, can you wheelie this thing? And well, aside from the fact that I unlearned it quite a lot, yes, you can. There are two important things. First of all, the bike needs to be light, check, and the bike needs to have good brakes, check. Hydraulic disc brakes work really good for control, so little side note right there, I guess. Then I went off-road, no problem with the shock absorption. For this I turned down the pedal assist to 1 because I don't want to blast over the grass. I want to go, you know, rather slow, and pedal assist 1 is perfect for that. And then I found sand and I tried it without the pedal assist and no chance. It's very slippery like ice. And then I turned on pedal assist all the way to 3 and blasted through it. It was a lot of fun, but I cannot recommend it. The sand will get everywhere. Don't ruin your bike, but it's fun. Yeah, and now back to wheeling. I did it until my skin flew off, and this is very painful. If you know, you know. If your bike is awesome, your life will be awesome and you will be inspired to do cool things with your bike. I guess, at least that's how I work. Anyways, the bike is amazing. as you can see, all in all 8 kilometers, and the battery is still at 100. So not bad. The guys from ADO really outdid themselves this time. This is by far the best looking e-bike that they came up with so far. That's just my opinion, of course, but I mean, just look at that. A timeless, seamless, streamlined design. It's just looking great. Definitely something to be a proud owner of. Aside from the looks, it's also a decent performer, but you already know that. So definitely trippy. I'm impressed for sure. Check out the links in the description if you're interested. And before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing TechMagnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.